Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 3D printers available right now. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or someone just starting out, this guide will help you make an informed choice. All the product links are down in the description, so be sure to check them out. This list is based on thorough research, considering factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more to bring you the best options for your creative needs. Number 5, we have the FORMBOT Voron 2.4 3D printer. This machine stands out with its high-speed capabilities and precision. With a maximum print size of 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters, it's perfect for creating large, intricate designs. The auto-leveling feature ensures a hassle-free setup, while its powerful 200-watt power supply guarantees reliable performance. Supporting a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber, this printer is as versatile as they come. Its bed temperature reaches up to 110 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with heat-sensitive materials. Paired with popular slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D, this printer is a fantastic choice for both beginners and experts seeking accuracy and speed in their prints. Number 4 is the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Plus 3D printer. At number 4, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. With an impressive maximum printing speed of 500 millimeters per second and a spacious print volume of 400 by 320 by 320 millimeters, it's a powerhouse for large-scale projects. The LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system ensures perfect calibration every time, while the magnetic PEI spring steel printing platform makes removing prints a breeze. The dual Z-axis motor and double metal spindles contribute to stability and precision. Compatible with multiple filament types like PLA, TPU, PETG, this printer is designed to handle a wide range of creative projects with ease and efficiency. Number 3, we have the FYSETC R2 Pro 3D printer, a machine built for precision and versatility. This printer supports a broad range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PPTG, and PLACF, making it suitable for diverse applications. With a maximum print size of 350 by 300 meters and a temperature range of up to 300 degrees Celsius for the nozzle and 120 degrees Celsius for the bed, it handles complex projects effortlessly. The advanced auto-leveling feature simplifies setup, and the high-speed printing capability of up to 300 millimeters per second ensures efficient production. Its compatibility with multiple operating systems and slicing software makes it a flexible choice for users of all levels. Built with CE-certified safety features, this printer combines innovation and reliability to deliver exceptional results. Number 2, the KINGROON KP3S 3D printer offers compact design and impressive performance. Ideal for small-scale projects, it has a maximum print size of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, making it perfect for hobbyists and beginners. While it lacks auto-leveling, its precise manual leveling system ensures high accuracy for each print. Supporting various materials like PLA, TPU, and wood, this printer offers great versatility despite its smaller footprint. The powerful 24-volt 360-watt power supply ensures consistent operation, while its lightweight frame makes it portable and easy to handle. Compatible with popular slicing software and boasting a maximum nozzle temperature of 260 degrees Celsius, this printer is a fantastic budget-friendly option for creative enthusiasts. Finally, at number 1, we have the ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 3D printer, a cutting-edge machine designed for speed and efficiency. With a stunning maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second and a robust build, it's perfect for high-volume production or detailed creative projects. The printer's automatic leveling system and large 4.3-inch touchscreen make it incredibly user-friendly. Its 250 by 250 and 260 millimeter print size provides ample space for your designs, while the compatibility with multicolor filaments adds a creative edge. Lightweight, yet packed with advanced features, this printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing experience. Thanks for tuning in and exploring these amazing 3D printers with us. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews and updates on the latest tech. See you in the next video.